38-inch Homestead Universal. I picked this up at Habitat today. They had another one like this in rougher shape and 52-inch. I'm tempted to go back for the other two. If anybody is interested in them, let me know. I would probably sell or trade all but one of the 38s. Maybe, we'll see. I might get attached to them. I want to keep them all. We'll see how that goes. Or I may not even go get them. Or anyhow, this is my first video of a 38-inch Universal that I recall. You may have seen the 44-inch one in the old church building, and I've done 52-inch before, and I've done, I think that's it. I think I've done the 29s, the Monterey's, which is the same motor as this with the smaller blade set. So let's give it a try. First we're going to try it on the original factory speeds. It's rated at 0.6 amps. Trying 0.17 on low. These are made by Halsey and they're considered to be good quality fans. Medium, 0.32. High, 0.51. And it actually moves a pretty good amount of air for being a small spinner motor fan. Let's see if it does anything from back here. Still pretty good for what it is. I think my least favorite thing about these is the visible bearing in the motor. It's always bothered me. Even when I was a kid, that bothered me. And the upside of that is you can tell they're using a ball bearing. But in a lot of spinner motors, it's not visible. Some companies even had a little cover built around it. I think Quorum was the first one to do a brass motor and bearing cover to match the brass of the fan. Kind of like what the old Progress fans have. It's got a long spin down time. Any comments so far, Andy?
Well, it's cute. It'd be about the right size for above my dining table.
Oh. You want to go back to Habitat and get the other one and have a pair, one in the kitchen, one over the dining table?
There you go. That's what we could do with these.
Yeah. And then put a 52-inch Comfort Flow or something, some stack motor version in the living room to coordinate.
The all Homestead.
Yeah. Can you tell what these vents were copying? I've said it in videos before, but
not really.
See if we can stump Andy. It's long nose copy. Got the ovals and then you got the little ornate edging around the edge of it.
Oh yeah. Didn't notice that.
Reverse.
No. There it goes. Must be a little bit.
The reverse switch is pretty stiff.
A little finicky switch there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get that sometimes, especially if it's never been reversed before. Okay, Air Classic. This is a 1 microfarad capacitor and it's already moving. It's drawing 0.04. About as low of a current draw as you can expect to get. Is it going to stall? Oh, I guess it is.
It was a false hope.
It was. Here's 2 microfarads with 0.09. Okay, here's 3, 0.13. Emerson wall control low, which is the same as the pull chain low. Did I say the pull chain low was 0.17?
I don't remember.
I think so. Here's the Homestead and or Casablanca wall control low, 0.21. Five microfarads. 6, 7. At 0.27 is the Emerson wall control medium low. 8, 9, 10, the Casablanca wall control medium low, and close enough to the Emerson medium high, 0.34. The medium was like 0.32, so it's pretty close to the pull chain medium. Here's your Casablanca medium, and Homestead for that matter, medium high, which is pretty indistinguishable from high. Here's that. I'm going to skip to actual high. It's 0.4. So you can hear a difference, but you can't see it. Go up to 20, 0.43, 30, 40. Even up to 40 only takes us to 0.47, and high is 0.5. No resonant frequencies is always a good thing, though. The 52-inch one of these at the Restore had an integrated spotlight kit. Which is an interesting look for this fan. Theoretically speaking, if you wanted to put it over your table, you could swap out the switch caps and have a small one of these with an integrated spotlight kit. As God intended.
Yeah, I don't know if, of course, I don't know if this is a spotlight fan.
It's not.
Yeah. It doesn't quite do it for me. Just
No.
imagining it.
There aren't really too many fans with wood blades, in my opinion, that look appropriate with spotlight kits.
Some originals.
A wood-bladed original with a spotlight kit?
Yeah, some of the polished brass ones.
I don't think I'd like it, but I'd have to see it. Spin down, están muy longo.
Mm-hmm.
You ever go in Golf Shack when you were a kid?
Nope.
They had a whole bunch of these, but in white.
Nice.
I think we already talked about how upstairs, downstairs deli had the 29-inch version.
Yeah, I could see that.
In the atrium. 8 to the turn.
Here we are. We're getting some buzz there.
Yep. 8 to the turn, 0.4. 8 to the turn, 0.46. And then high. Okay, when this is done, one of us can take this apart and the other one can switch the blades on that little suspected CEC. Which one do you want to do?
I'll go flip the blades, I guess.
Okay. I was thinking we should probably also remove the light fitter from that because I don't think I have a globe that fits it. And even if we do, we don't need to use a light on it.